Whether you're trailblazing, swimming in the mud, or playing in the sand, you've got to get that power to the ground. And I'm going to show you how a Dynojet clutch kit can maximize your performance in each one of those riding conditions. When we started development for the Power Vision, we noticed there was massive flaws in the OEM clutching, especially once the vehicle's power was increased. We saw RPM higher than normal, excessive heat in the primary and secondary clutches, which ended with broken belts. Not to mention, most vehicles have larger wheel and tire combinations installed right from the dealership, but no clutching to overcome the gearing changes that the wheels and tires have on the vehicle. Basic settings for elevation just didn't cut it. To overcome these issues, we designed a clutch kit that can do it all. A clutch kit that has settings for larger wheel and tire combinations, paddle tires for the sand, different engagement RPM for rock crawling or trail riding, and enough weight to achieve the perfect RPM for massive power. We spent countless hours developing and tuning the Dynojet clutch kit. So when you install one for the modifications you have and the terrain you're going to ride on, it's going to work. We're continuously supporting new applications. Check out Dynojet.com to see a list of our available clutch kits.